What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is a rebuild vlog. So behind me I have the dry shaft. The car got stripped down before this video, thanks to my dad, Ian, and Rob and Fisher. They've worked their butts off to get it stripped down, and we're getting it re-clipped right now. So it is not at our shop, but it will be here shortly. We go to Florida in a week, so hopefully we'll be back by then. And when we get back, we can get it ready for our first race, March 14th at Atomic Speedway for Ohio Valley. So today I'm just gonna show you guys to clean, the dry shaft to that piece right there. We're just gonna have to get it slipped on and slipped off. Right now it's really tough to get it off and on, so that's not really good. So we're gonna clean it up and make sure it's easy. So if you guys can see, what we're trying to do here is this right here. It's supposed to slip and pretty easy into that, and you're supposed to get it off pretty easy. To change the gear, because we don't have a quick change, so but yeah, so we're still trying to figure that out. We got it on easily. We weren't able to do that before, so at least we're making some progress, but just taking it off is the hard part right now. So we're gonna still try to work on it, and then yeah, so if you've seen what we've done here, we took out all the paint because it was easier to, for that piece to slide in there. And I'm gonna have to clean this up some more, see how it got dirty after we kept sliding it back and forth. So we got it definitely working, but we're gonna clean it up and do a last test to show you guys the difference of how it was. You've seen in that time lapse, I was kind of struggling getting it off for a second there, and then yeah. So now it's really easy, and we're gonna show you guys here shortly. All right, got it figured out. We gave it a little test before we actually recorded and didn't embarrass ourselves. Wow, look at that. A little rough right there, but we'll get it figured out. But I mean, right there, it's just, we couldn't even get it off, just me. My dad couldn't even get it off by himself. So we got it. Now we're gonna put it back on the shelf there, and then we're gonna go work on the rear end. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. We didn't end up working on the rear end, but we'll do that another day and get this thing set for March 14th. Right now, car's getting a clip. Body is getting painted at Tom Whiteside Chrysler. Make sure you go check them out. Great service, great people to work with, and yeah, we'll keep on getting it rebuilt. Once the car comes back, we'll be even more ready, and I'm excited. We got a new wrap for you guys too. It's gonna be a good one. Alright, so we got the car back from the front clip, rear clip, and front clip on it. We powder coated, we scuffed up some holes to make the chassis more stronger, and we put slugs in some of the holes, so when we put weights in the cars, it doesn't crush the chassis. We just got some new parts to put on and spares just in case, anything can happen this season. Hopefully good stuff will happen to us. We just need some good luck this year, and that's why we've done this. We rebuilt basically the whole car to be ready and fast for the Ohio Valley Legend Car Series. So yeah, I can't wait. I'm excited, and now it's just put everything back together. All right, here's an update on the car. It's we put the interior in. We got to finish this tunnel piece where the dry shaft goes, and then after the interior's done, maybe send it to a powder coater, go get that done, and start putting everything back together. There's that guy. I don't know who he is. Here's the tunnel piece. It's all flattened out right here, so we can trace it. Yeah.
We got a new part. Got a new steering wheel. We got a new grill after you messed it up. The bodies and the barn.
Yep. Let's see the new steering wheel. Love the new steering wheel. Oh yeah. Seat belts. Yep. Bodies at the other shop. What's it gonna do?
Go off. It's gonna shoot out of there.
All right, way to start off the video. We got it painted. We didn't end up getting it powder coated. We used Steel It. It worked very good. As you can tell, can weld over this stuff, and you know, if anything breaks, hopefully not this year. Hopefully we can pick up a win. Now it's just time to throw back everything on. Make sure everything's tight. Make sure everything's good.
Today we're gonna start with the rear end. We're gonna get the rear end back together and put it in.
Hopefully it's rolling by next week or Wednesday. Wow. Try to rush them here. But our plan is May 2nd, right? 35 or Ona. We don't know yet. I say Ona. We got to get the revenge after what happened last time.
So Blaine Withers in that 57 machine trying to find a way to get back up, and he lost something just happened in turn number 2, and Blaine Withers is straight up into the wall in turn number 2 as he exit. That car lost all steering as he...
You know? But, yeah, we'll be taking some clips and showing you putting the rear end back together. We got Big Rob in the house, finally. Buddy's been RC racing. How's it been?
Good. I did pretty good this year. What I win? I won the Bomber division, Bomber class, whatever, track champion, and sportsman track champion this year.
Now we got you to help on this thing, and hopefully we can win a championship or races.
Hopefully. But the only way we can do that is if we're sponsored by Doritos.
Yeah, Doritos, right?
Doritos.
Look, flaming hot. That's how fast we want to be.
Yeah, we're just going to be fast, right?
Yeah, spicy nacho. All right, cleaning up. Hopefully putting the rear end in next. And, yeah. Yeah, you're caught, bud.
Big, beautiful nuts.
All right, get your bolts. Now we're looking for some bolts.
Cook, bud. Baby, I got your money.
Don't you worry. got the right size?
Got half 20s.
Yeah.
Your dad's gonna love that.
He's gonna love those nuts.
He is.
He's gonna love those nuts.
He's gonna love these nuts.
Wow.
He's gonna love having half nuts.
Half nuts. This
Half
is-
nuts?
Grab the handful, see if that's good. We need about 14 more. Wow, that was great math by me.
21. That's all they got.
21.
21? Those nuts are great. Great nuts. What's your name, Captain Great Nuts?
Oh god. Dude, this video is gonna be like 30 minutes long because I'm putting them all together.
That's good.
Yeah, because I put one and it was only 4 minutes. Like, who's gonna watch that, guys?
Nobody's gonna.
I know no one's gonna watch that, bro.
It's like Ian's love life. Fastest 4 minutes of his life.
Hold on, pop a screen. Alright, I'm gonna pop a picture up of Ian and his girl. I'm gonna put that one picture of
Yeah, I
Lamar.
seen
And
it.
Lamar and the dog.
Hey, I seen a leash last night. Lindsay had one for him.
Yup. Oh yeah. We're heading to the shop. About to work on the car, put the motor in. We picked up Big Rob's car, so we can get it. He might be racing tonight, might be.
Maybe.
There's a possibility. So if we do, or if he does, take you guys with me, and yeah, so we'll be at the shop here soon, so catch you guys there. Alright, we just showed up to the shop. About to get out and go to work. Oh, there's Boss Man. Got the left rear done. Now gotta do the left front shock.
I wonder if they have a line that has a 45 on it. And this will go out to the wheel.
Is that the one we're trying to get a 32 for?
Mm-hmm.
Probably don't
Just
got
so
it.
it's, just so it's
What
a
if it
little
is a
longer.
36? What are we gonna do?
Um,
Probably won't work.
be long.
Yeah.
But I could route it differently, so it's not, so it's away from the motor mount and everything. I kind of wanted to route it differently anyway because of how it was close to the exhaust. See it right there?
Yeah. He rubbed on it. All right, let's see what he's got. All right, so we got almost the seat mounted. All we have to do is I have this back thing right here to keep me forward. So we're gonna put that on, cut it down, and then Rob is hooking up the fire extinguisher. So, and then motor time. Finish this right. Wow, I'm losing it. Left front. Then. Yeah, then we gotta put on the body, and that will be this week's project, which I won't be here, so hopefully Rob or my dad take some videos for you guys. And yeah, then we'll be ready for Una. There's Morning G, aka Big Rob. So right here is very confusing what's going on. Rob obviously did not go due to the fact he was not ready. The rule is you're supposed to turn on your lights when you're ready. Well, Rob did not have his lights on, but they still gave him the light to go. And they ended up redoing the race, but then the other guy did the same thing. So they dropped it out of like the rounds, you know, they don't get all the money, but they did do their separate race. I did not get a video, but Rob did beat him. All right, we're wrapping up, putting the car together. All we have to do is scale it, then how many you daddies? How many? Three? All right. Gosh dang it. Yeah, we gotta scale it, but we gotta get the fender at the track, or we might be going to the people's shop where we're getting the fender. We are leaving tonight. We don't know if we're driving the full way or halfway, but that'll be a separate video. This is just showing, wrapping up the rebuild video, and all nice interior. Want to thank this guy right here, my dad. He's been busting his butt off. Caleb for just sitting. No, I'm joking. For helping, and Tyler for helping, and Fisher, Ian, Rob, Big Rob, he helped a ton. My pawpaw, my uncle Tyler, just everyone that supports. And yeah, see you guys next video.